what is the role of the PTA in patient education, and how can that influence the patient's success, compliance, and motivation in physical therapy? As therapists, we can influence and foster compliance in home exercise programs and empower our patients into being successful in physical therapy. It is important to realize that how we communicate with our patients can have a direct impact on how they perceive physical therapy and the benefits that they can gain from therapy. As clinicians, we need to be sure that we are demonstrating respect to the patient and are being an active listener and listening with empathy when the patient is sharing potentially intimate details about pain and how they are feeling as a result of physical therapy or their current injury. We need to be sure that we check our own personal biases at the door and not allow them to influence how we're communicating with our patients, keeping our internal values separate, but making sure that we're listening to what's valued to the patient in order to influence potentially their motivation and compliance with therapy. And here are just some ways that we can potentially communicate with more cultural sensitivity with our patient in the clinic.